Welcome to this video on inflation and the ECB. The Eurozone inflation rate for January was quite a shock. Economists surveyed in advance had expected inflation to fall to 4.4%. In fact, it rose to 5.1%. Such an underestimation of a monthly inflation figure by 0.7 percentage points rarely happens. This was not only caused by sharply rising energy costs. Rather, prices across the board are rising much more strongly than expected. We have therefore once again adjusted our inflation forecast for the Eurozone. We now expect 4.4% for 2022. Unlike most economists, we had previously expected the first ECB rate hike already at the beginning of next year. But after the inflation shock in January, the ECB's inflation forecast is much too low. In March it will raise its forecast massively. Then it should decide to end net asset purchases in early September. Shortly thereafter, it will probably raise its policy rate for the first time by 25 basis points. We expect a second rate hike of 25 basis points in December. Next year, however, the ECB will pause. After all, inflation will temporarily get close to 2% in 2024. Plus, it's always looking at the needs of highly indebted countries. The ECB's moderate interest rate hikes will not have massive impact on bond yields. In principle, equities will remain attractive. However, the phase of uncertainties for equities will last at least until the ECB raises its policy rate for the first time.